For this meditation, we're going to be using Kidney 1 to gather nature energy and bring it into the body to help us heal. So, first, just have the hands either over lower dantian or down by the side. Eyes can be opened or closed. Feeling Kidney 1, bringing your mind to this area, to this part of your body. And again, you can have your hands down by your side or over lower dantian. Now hold the intention to connect to the nature that's about a half mile around you in every direction. On an inhale, bring this nature energy in through Kidney 1 into your body. And as this energy enters your body, you're feeling all the cells in your body drink it up. They feel nourished. So on the inhale, bring it in. Let it fill the body with this nutritious chi. And at the top of the inhale, hold your breath for about 3 seconds, feeling this energy really soak into your structure, into your body. On the exhale, slowly reset. And again, we're going to bring on the inhale the nature energy into the body from Kidney 1. It's soaking up the cells, the bones, the tissue, the organs, all getting the benefit of this energy from nature. At the top of the inhale, hold the breath. On the exhale, you're feeling the energy still soak into all these areas. You're now getting ready for another repetition. Inhale, bring the energy into the body from the bottom of the foot through Kidney 1. Let all the cells in the body feel the benefit from this energy from nature. At the top of the breath, you filled the whole body, but don't exhale. Hold the breath for 3 seconds. And now on the exhale, feel the energy go deeper into the body, into the organs, into the cells. You can do 3 of these, you can do more, but this is a great way to bring a very grounding energy into the body.